So guys, welcome back to the video. I can say welcome back to one of the most serious video of the channel. So let's directly come back to the point. Let's directly come back to the important part of the video, that is what happened so that I just realized that I should make this video. So let's start it from the beginning. I think that in the beginning of this month itself, this is September 2024, and the first trade I took in RVNL. Okay, all right. Like last 2 month was fine. Last 2 month was I was making decent profits. All the trades were going decent. Like not whatever the target I used to keep, not that target. I don't used to book at that target, but yeah, somewhere below that target I used to book my profit. So then the trades were going well. But what happened is RVNL, I took this trade, I think so that on 7th or 8th of September. Today is 22 of September when I am recording this video. And when I took that trade, I think so that trade was in loss. Overall, I cut that trade in loss. But the problem is I cut whatever the loss I occurred in that trade, it was around 2 to 3 profitable trades. Profits all got eroded in that just one loss. That is the reason I need to create this video. Basically, what happened is I bought RVNL. The position sizing and everything was under control. I decided my stop loss before making even the entry, and after that, the loss which I booked was below my stop loss. Was not it was not which I was planned accordingly. The loss which I occurred was completely unexpected. I did not even plan for that much big loss in that one single trade. So I approximately booked the loss of around 9%. So that's not worth it, because understand one thing: if this keeps happening again and again, it doesn't create any sense, because I keep working hard, I keep getting good trades, I keep making profits, small profits, and after that, just in a single trade, if I'm losing all the profits, that's not worth it. So that I found out, no, भाई इसमें कुछ करना होगा. I need to find a solution of it, and I just need to make a rule so that I this thing, this big loss never can occur again, and I can keep my loss, whatever I plan. I should keep my stop loss accordingly. So I made a rule for that, and after that I'm now it's been almost 22 days. I made a lot of trades in these days. I could say that I never made, after I made that rule, I never made a big loss. And I think that if I just being disciplined to that, and if I just follow that rule, I'll never make a big loss in my life, in my trading career. And what is that rule? I'm going to share later in this video itself what is that rule, why I created that rule. But before coming to the rule, before sharing that rule with you all, I want to ask you a simple question which I asked at that day when I just booked my loss. I asked that same question to myself, and I'm asking you to everyone who is watching this video, that why we make big loss. The question is why we make big loss. Alright, yeah, why we make big loss in trading. So when you will sit down and when you will try to understand, you will get one answer. Basically, I got one answer to this question, why I make big loss. The answer is very simple. I keep holding my losing trades, and eventually I cut that losing trade in a big loss than expected. This is the answer which I got. The only answer in one simple sentence, if I could say, the sentence is holding losing trades. Whatever the trades is in loss, I keep on holding that, and the loss become bigger and bigger day by day. So that is the only answer which I got. I think that many of the traders, or many of the person who is in the stock market and who are in overall loss, they make good profits. Like I talk to many of the person, they say I make good profits, I make profits in the month, and after that just 1 or 2 trades I lose all the profits. So that is the reason how to avoid that big loss. So for that we need to understand why do we make big loss. The answer is simple: you keep on holding big loss. You accept this or not, आप मानो या ना मानो, but this is the reason you keep on holding. अगर हम कोई भी losing trade है, अगर उसे छोटे से loss में cut कर देंगे, so that loss is never going to be bigger, and we are going to cut that loss in a small when it is small. The answer is that. So I asked to myself that why do we keep holding that losing trades? We know that these losing trades might get bigger and this can give me a big loss, but why I keep holding that losing trades? Why I keep just thinking कि भाई ये recover हो जाएगा or anything like that? Why I just keep holding that losing trades? Then again I got 2 answers, and I think that if you ask to yourself, you will also get these 2 answers itself. First thing, you keep on holding your losing trades. The reason first is if you are not have a proper mindset of a trader, that is the reason. And the second reason is discipline issue. I have a complete trader mindset because I've been in the market since last 3 and 4 years. I've been doing good. I face basically second problem, that is discipline issue. And I think that many of us face discipline issue. Like when you spend almost when you spend 2 to 3 years in the market, then you get a sense that what can make you profitable and what can make you a losing trader. So you just keep revising that, you just keep making changes, and you get a proper path. आपको दिखता है that what I can do, what I will do so that I'll be profitable at the end of the year. You can understand them, but there is some problem with the discipline so that we make losses. I have a proper mindset of trader. What in small, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं what do I mean if I say that you should have a proper mindset of a trader, then I mean that probability based business. This is trading is completely probability based business. That means that whatever you do, whatever the analysis you do, आप कुछ भी देख लो, दुनिया के आप सारे indicators एक trade में लगा लो, but unfortunately this is a truth, this is a harsh truth that उस ट्रेड का भी ओनली 50% ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज लाइक वो ट्रेड आपके सही हो सकता है, एंड 50% ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ट्रेड माइट गो अगेंस्ट यू. 50-50 ही प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि वो ट्रेड सही हो सकता है या तो वो ट्रेड गलत हो सकता है. दिस इज द ट्रेडर माइंडसेट. इफ़ यू हैव दिस माइंडसेट देन यू विल नेवर थिंक कि भाई मुझे उस ट्रेड को सिर्फ होल्ड करके रखना है. लाइक कोई भी ट्रेड से आप अटैच नहीं हो गए, राइट. कोई भी ट्रेड अगर चल रहा है, सो यू कीप थिंकिंग कि भाई अगर ये लूजिंग होगा, आई कट दैट बिकॉज आई नो कि ये अगेंस्ट में जा सकता है. इवन आई हैव डन ऑल माई एनालिसिस, राइट. And what is that second thing? Basically, the second thing is discipline. So I know that this point, if you could see discipline. क्या होता है discipline issue? For me, how just because of being indisciplined, I lost almost 2-3 trades profit in one single losing trade. What was that reason? So the reason was देखो मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल से समझाता हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर ट्रेडिंग इन RVNL, ठीक है. मेरे साथ जो हुआ, एंड you made an entry at 300. You kept a stop loss. You decided that if the stock will go below 250, I'll cut the trade. 50 रुपीज़ stop loss आपने decide किया है, and 300 में आपने 300 रुपीज़ में आपने पोजिशन बनाया है, and you are expecting a good move from there, ठीक है. Now that, as I said, that there is 50% probability when all the circumstances is in your favor, the trade might go against you. So if the trade go against you, and just because of any reasons, in my case it was I was traveling and I could not able to cut that trade. I didn't just put my GTT order in the system, but I was thinking कि अगर market इस level के नीचे जाएगा, I'll cut the trade. But I was traveling, I was coming from Delhi, and because of all these reasons, I could not able to track it properly. And when I just look at my trade, it was trading somewhere below, I could say, below my stop loss. So the point is, आपने for example 250 पे stop loss लगाया है, and now if you did not cut that trade at the stop loss of 250, and if that stock go below 250, like for example अगर 250 से वो अगर 200 चला गया, then there is 80% possibility that you are not going to cut the loss. You are not going to book that losing trade. May I say I'll say you why. The reason is very simple. देखो आपने 50 रुपीज़ का ऐसा एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था कि if this trade goes against me, I'll lose 50 रुपीज़. बट आपने कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया था डैट अगर 5250 के नीचे भी अगर वो चला जाता है तो आई माइट गेट अ बिग लॉस. यू आर नॉट रेडी फॉर दैट. और जब आप अभी अब उसको देख रहे हो 250 के नीचे वो ट्रेड कर रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल 200 पे ट्रेड कर रहा है, देन यू आर थिंकिंग कि भाई अरे यार जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन ये नीचे चला गया. नाउ if this stock just if it just recovers from 200 to when it comes to 250, I'll just book my loss. I'll book my loss where my stop loss used to be. But this is also a harsh truth that stock will from 200, it will come to 220, 230, and again it will drop to 180. So eventually at the last, you are going to cut that losing trade in a big loss. So what I mean is what the rule I made. Now let's come back to the point of the video, the rule which I would like to share with you. कि आप अगर ये rule follow करोगे, so you are not going to make a big loss in your trading career, I think. In my trading career, after that the big loss, I did not had any big loss till now. I am following that rule. And what is that rule? The rule is very simple. Stop loss system पे लगाओ. जो भी आपका stop loss है system पे लगा दो. There is a 50% possibility, जैसा मैं बोला, 50% possibility of every trade to go in favor of you and every trade to go against you. Stop loss लगा दो, target अपने favor में रखो, but stop loss, keep stop loss on the system. अगर वो आपके अगेंस्ट हो जाता है तो स्टॉप लॉस सेट होगा, सिस्टम से आप निकल जाओगे. अगर फिर से पोजीशन अगर मार्केट वहाँ से रिकवर करके ऊपर चला जाता है तो यू कैन मेक पोजीशन अगेन. बट अगर उसके नीचे आ जाता है ना ब्रो, सो आई फेल्ट दैट इट्स बीन वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कट द लूजिंग ट्रेड, क्योंकि अब वो जितना हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया तो उससे ज़्यादा लॉस हो रहा होता है. अब आपको दिखेगा यार ये तो मेरा पूरा लास्ट मंथ का पूरा प्रॉफिट है, मैंने जितने लाइक जितना हार्ड वर्क करके लास्ट मंथ पूरे प्रॉफिट्स किए वो तो अगर मैं अभी लॉस बुक कर लेता हूँ तो ये पूरा पूरा लाइक प्रॉफिट चला जाएगा। सो दैट जस्ट वेट कि ये रिकवर हो जाएगा, आपको दिखने लगेगा दैट हाँ हाँ वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज हो जाएगा। यू विल गिव लाइक गिव यू विल गिव रीजंस टू योर सेल्फ दैट दिस स्टॉक माइट रिकवर फ्रॉम दैट लेवल। यू विल टेल लाइक हाँ वॉल्यूम अभी डिक्रीज हो रहा है, देर इज नॉट जस्ट लाइक कोई भी बड़े प्लेयर्स नहीं है, दिस माइट बी जस्ट स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग, द स्टॉक माइट गो like again it might recover. There is a chance that for once or twice that might recover, but most of the time it will go and eventually you will cut in a big loss.